Hi guys! We are going to get some vegetable because nagugutom ako. Gusto kong kumain ng gulay. First, I'm going to get a lemongrass. Ilalagay ko ito sa aking gulay. Lemongrass. And then, kukunin natin ito. At saka ito kukunin ko kasi parang masisira na. Ayan, may kalamunggay at saka may ganito na ako. Tingnan natin yung okra. Oh, may tatlong okra tayo. Okra.
What the heck was that thing? It was a grasshopper again.
A what? Grasshopper?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, tomorrow there's more okra. They're so small, that's why.
Look at this one.
I know, there's a lot.
There was a really big one over there back there.
Oh, we can't get that.
I know, that one's huge.
Okay. So now we're going to see the eggplant. Oh, ito na. Zoom in the eggplant, Jess. They're so big. Ito ang zoom in. Ito ang kukunin natin. This one. And then there's more coming. This one, palakihin natin bukas na yan. At saka ito,
What's wrong with this guy?
because it's still a little bit smaller. I'm just gonna get one eggplant tomorrow. I'm gonna cook that tomorrow. Then I'm gonna get some spinach. Oh, this is my ampalaya and my beans. And now I'm gonna get some spinach. Maglalawoy tayo mga guys. Do you eat vegetable, Jess?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Ayan. You know what? When I was a kid, Jess, this, the
Yeah,
the
these are
seed, we put that in our lips, like our lipstick.
Kuya showed me this.
This is kamote. At saka, can you take a look on my lemon is dying, I think.
That's lemon.
Yeah, the lemoncito, the small lemon. Oh, I think it's back to life. Alright. That's it for now. Ito na yung gulay ko at saka may kalabasa ako. Guys, maglalawoy na ako guys. Ayan na yung aking ito. Ito na yung aking lemongrass at saka yung cherry tomato ko at saka ito lang kalabasa ang hindi gulay sa aking backyard. The rest are my gulay-gulayin. So ilalagay ko na ngayon ang talong. Isang talong lang ang hinarbis ko. May dalawa pa akong mga malalaki doon. Bukas, kukuha ako ng pangprito. So, ayan na. Ito, ito naman is combination with talbos ng kamote at saka talbos ng alagbati. Ayan. Kakainin ko to mag-isa. Charot. Si Jasmine kakain together with me. Pero ang kakainin niya nito is just probably just the okra. And patitikim ko rin si Habi ng sabaw nito. Kasi masarap ang sabaw ng lauoy. At saka magpa-fried ako ng bulinaw. At saka paluto na yung kanin ko. Ayan, at saka ilagay natin ang malunggay. Malunggay ng buhay. Ayan, pakukuluin lang yan at pagkatapos luto na yan. O, ayan. Ang aking lauoy, pangpahaba ng ating buhay. Ayan. Lauoy ni Gracia. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam pag alam mong may sarili kang gulay at saka inaano mo siya, presko, diba? Ayan lang. Yan lang ang masasabi ko. Tikman ko muna. Ang lasa is lauoy ba? Ang sarap-sarap. Manamis-namis. Yan lang ang maganda pag may sarili kang gulay. Ayan na guys. Time for it. Hindi natin pwedeng i-overcook yan. Ang sarap-sarap. Bye, babush. Kakain tayo ngayon guys ha. Standing position. Ayokong mag-upo. So, may eggplant tayo dito na lauoy. Naglauoy ta mga guys. Adunay okra. Adunay talbos sa kamote o kalabasa. Natay ginamos. Uyap di ay na siya uyap. Naay malunggay ani. Higup daw ta sa sabaw. Lami. Lami kayo. This is my food just when I was a little. We eat this almost every day. Gulay. Ay, uyap.
I need a fork.
You need a fork? You need a fork. Ang akong talong ha, presko. Tamis-tamis. Ang galay sa kamote. Ngaw eh. Ngaw ang tanin nyo. Kaon-kaon. Okra.
I want it pickled.
Labasa. Tirahan na to ning talong. Kay manamis-namis ang talong. Did you want more okra, Jess? Huh? Okay, there's only one left of okra.
Oh, you can have it. How many do you have?
One. I just got one already.
Yeah, you can take it.
Oh, there's two.
Take it.
One for you, one for me.
I'll take it. I have three. You have
Okay.
three too.
Og aduna pud tay. Magkataunon sila. There it go, guys. Aduna pud tay buwad bulin. Ang talong ug ang okra kay bag-ong giipo niya, gigulay dayon. What? Gigulay dayon, tamis-tamis siya. There's more langsang here, Daddy. More. More delis.
No, thank you. What do you call them? Langsam?
Lansang.
Langsam?
Nails. We call it nails. Lansang. Lansang is nails in
It means slow down in German.
Really?
Yeah, but it's like one letter off or something. But it sounds like it. Langsam.
Lansang, not sang.
But in German, it's langsam.
What do you think, Joel? I ate that when I was a kid almost every day.
Must have worked.
It must work.
Yeah. You're a big girl now.
Yeah. So, what tilaw na pinatikim ko si Habi ng lauoy sa Bisaya. He didn't like it, but he ate it. You don't have to finish it if you don't like it, Joel. I just want to let you try. Because that's how exactly the flavor is.
The okra is squishy.
Because it's a little bit overcooked.
Looks like I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
You don't eat the whole thing?
No, looks like I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
It's okay. Do you want the other one here? There's one more.
It's yours.
I'm fine. Do you like okra, huh? Really good. So it's a good investment. Mommy plant okra.
You should plant watermelon.
Plant more?
Watermelon.
Yeah, watermelon is a lot of work, I think. Yummy. I gotta get a spoon dahil marami ng sabaw dito sa plato ko. Mahirap na magkamay. Lami ko ay lami. Damihan si Jasmine. Sabaw. No sabaw. Tuslo dire. You're done? Oh wow. You ate in one bite? Wow. What else do you eat vegetable beside okra, Jazz? Bok choy, right? Bok choy, not really. Cucumber, right?
No.
Not anymore?
Pickle.
Pickle. Oh. I read an article that if you eat cucumber, like you're going to a test on the next day, like you're studying, it's good for you.
How?
I don't know, there's some chemical on, there's some chemical, natural chemical on the cucumber that make you have a good concentration. Good? More? Jasmine's done. Rate my gulay. 7. What about you, Dad?
7.
Thank you, guys. I'm proud to introduce you I am so proud to introduce you guys my food that I ate when I was younger. When I was a little, this is our food. That's it.